Hello dear all, here we are introducing you to our latest item, Koverflame auto-darkening true color solar-powered welding helmet. You can select the mode by the black shade control knob. The shade of the welding mode range from 9 to 13. This upgraded welding helmet comes with true color technology, preserves the existing optical clarity rating and visibility by reducing the lime green tint. With a super large viewing size of 3.86 inches by 2.17 inches with 4 premium sensors, the large viewing area gives you a full range of vision in relation to the welding area, enhancing operator control. The headgear with oversized comfort cushions provides extensive adjustability, setting, and improved support for better fit and comfort. The headband will also hold in an upright position. Before using the helmet, press the test button to see if it automatically switches to a dark state and release it to check that the filter returns to the light state. If the red light is on, the function of the auto-darkening cannot be activated normally. The working time of the battery can reach 3,000 to 5,000 hours. When the power is low, the low voltage indicator warning light on the filter will flash, and the helmet will not work properly. The battery needs to be replaced in time. Next, we will demonstrate how to replace it correctly.